Sentient's MaVi tools open on a WA map or wherever it may be located in the world. It can show other data on that map, but then we zoom closer to a specific area, perhaps a mine site or event space, and then you can move around similar to an online map, but it's in a confined area. It has different overlays that can show any sort of data and can be taken from GIS sources so that they are GPS located. There are various different options for showing landmarks to make sure that people are oriented on exactly where things are going to go and how they relate to each other from a bird's eye view, but also in a 3D perspective. There's different sites, can be called what you like, but they often include drone footage and images which allow the stakeholders in consultations to orient themselves and truly understand the exact location they're talking about before the conversation starts. Within each site you can have various data points, so descriptions of the sites, timelines of when surveys occurred, and then you've got the image carousel as well. Other sort of extended additions can be 3D data, so these models can be taken from engineering models, optimized to place into the gaming engine and then placed into the scene so that users can explore. They can understand from a first-person perspective or ground level perspective exactly how things are going to look and how they will interact with the environment, that the landscape that we're discussing. This tool has been designed with user experience in mind to keep it nice and simple so that you can use sort of your mouse interactions. You can also use the UI on screen so that it becomes a little bit easier, and compasses to orient and that sort of thing. Other additions that we've also created are animations based on data sources. So water flow is just one example of those in a certain area, and how mining activity or other activity will affect that water flow over time.